It's crazy to say that we're at the end of our 7 days of giveaways. Today is the final giveaway. I am really hoping that 2020 does us well and I'm able to give back 5, 6, 7 times more than what we gave away this time. It's all thanks to a bunch of awesome sponsors, but day 7, I contributed. I wanted to help out. Let's get to it. If you guys haven't seen days 1 through 6, click the iCard in the top right hand corner. Go check out all those giveaways. They're still open. All of them are closing very soon though. Enter while you can. Tons of entries. You guys need to get on it quick. It may not be the biggest of prizes, but it has meaning to me. Years and years and years ago, my grandfather gave my dad an NR83A for his birthday. The gun was iconic at the time, and still to this day, the only gun he frames with. Years back, when it was just MattBangsWood, I didn't have any tools. My dad hooked me up that year, got me my first saw. It was by far the coolest thing, knowing that on that job site, that was my saw. From there, it spiraled out of control, and now I have way too much stuff and nowhere to put it. Thanks, Pa. So that Christmas, I got my first skill saw, and I'm hoping this Christmas, I'm able to give you something that's worth remembering. Now I got it out of the box already and played with it. You're going to be getting a skill saw 7 1/4. I have partnerships with skill saw. They probably would have given me this saw for free. Not gonna lie. I went out and bought this saw. I paid full price for it. No discounts, nothing was free. Reason being is I wanted to hook you guys up. This was a Christmas gift that I got years back and I was forever thankful. I still have that saw and I use it all the time. I'm hoping you guys are able to take this saw, whether you're new into the construction industry or you've been in the game for a while, and use it to the best of its ability. This saw is the one to have. I know cordless is taking over right now. Everyone has a spot for a corded saw. Ask any contractor that's fully cordless if they've gotten rid of all their old corded tools. None of them have. We use cordless saws on site. In our trailer you'll find 3 or 4 of these saws sitting there. So in the package here, I'm throwing in a Norsk, which is another company that I've worked with for a while, 7-inch megabyte saw blade. This is perfect for masonry or cutting anything really. It'll pretty much eat through anything. You've got a brand new 7 1/4 skill saw blade, another 7 1/4 skill saw blade. Now Skill Saw sent me out a rip guide for the saw. For those of you that don't know what this is, this slides into the front of the saw and you can set your saw to act as a table saw. Make perfect rips every time. Now this is a funny one to me because I've never done it. It says heavy duty worm drive saw lubricant. You are supposed to change out the oil with that little deal right there. Unscrew it, empty it out, put new stuff in. I am not gonna lie, I've never done it. My dad has never done it either. We just run the saws. They never have problems. I've never seen one of these saws have problems. Never have we changed the lubricant in the saw. To be honest, I didn't even know it was there. So day 7, I'm hooking you guys up. Brand new 7 1/4 saw. If you guys don't have a saw yet, maybe you do and it's old, I'm hoping you guys can use this thing. But there is one last sponsor from this whole giveaway. I work with a company called MaxTakeOffs. You guys have probably seen me talk about them before. You send them a set of construction plans. They send you back the most detailed material takeoff list you've ever seen. I'm talking color coordinated of how much of one material you need, where you need it, and where it's going. These guys are on it. They just did the takeoff on a house that I bid down in Los Angeles area. 8,000 square foot custom, huge home. I looked over the material list that they had sent over. Everything down to hardware and nails was spot on. I am very confident in their service. They guarantee their service. If you guys ever need material takeoff, please. There's their website right there. Website's in the description below and the pinned comment. Thank you MaxTakeOffs for helping me out with this giveaway. So MaxTakeOffs is all about giving back as well. I got in touch with them. They were super quick on it. Wanted to hook you guys up this holiday season. I know money can be tight right around December with everything going on, so they wanted to do their part to help out. Give me just a sec though, I need my little helpers. Avery. By the way, this is Avery, my oldest. She's 7 years old. You want to say hi, Avery?
Hi, you guys.
So MaxTakeOffs is giving you guys $250 cash. You can do whatever you need with it, buy whatever you'd like, save it for a rainy day. But I didn't think that was quite enough. Aubrey. Come here, pumpkin. We decided we'd match them. So not only are you guys getting $250 cash, you're getting $500 cash. We're gonna hook you guys up. December 22nd, we're gonna announce all the winners for the giveaway. I will Venmo you the morning of the 22nd and give you your guys' prize. You say hi, Aubrey? She's 2. She just turned 2. So not only are you getting your skill saw, you're getting $500 cash to do whatever you need to this holiday season. This has been the big giveaway that I've been leading up to this whole time. Overall though, we're super stoked to be able to give back. Overall though, we're super stoked to be able to give back to you guys this holiday season. All you have to do to enter, hit the subscribe button down below, join the over 40,000 that already follow us, click the little bell icon to the right of it, leave a like on this video, drop a comment down below. Are you picking your nose? That is all we have time for, guys. I hope you enjoyed these 7 days of giveaways. Hope you guys get lucky and win something. Click the iCard in the top right hand corner. You guys can check out all the other giveaways. Where are you going? Until next year, this has been the first annual MattBangsWood Christmas. From my family to yours, happy holidays. You say bye?